I will now teach you how to open an account for your store. Before you set up everything, having your own Shopify account is a must for you to continue. So let's get started. You will see this picture once you click on the Get Started button on the Shopify homepage. Shopify provides a 14-day free trial for you before you start up your business online. Here's a tip. You need to be careful when it comes to choosing your store name because you can't share the same store name with other existing users. So be creative when thinking up a unique and one-of-a-kind store name for your business. This is where you enter some general details to set up your store. Enter the requested information to proceed. Remember to make sure all the details you provide are valid and relevant. There's no point in entering fake details if you want your business to succeed, as it's best to be honest and transparent with your customers. This is the place where Shopify would like to know more about your business level. For each question, you'll need to choose from the options provided, after which click on the Enter My Store button to continue. You will next need to select a plan for your store to start selling.